Okay, welcome. In this video, I want to show us quickly how to set up your channel correctly. First thing, you need to get to the channel. You go to settings. There, get to go to channel. Here, you set the basic about your channel location. You're going to also put in the keywords. These are the things that make your channel to easily be seen when people search. So you write out every keyword related to what you are doing on that particular channel. And then you're going to get to here, advanced settings. You choose whether you're going to, is it a channel made for kids or is for adults? Or you want to always select when you are, maybe when you are uploading, then you do that here. You can also see you can link accounts to that particular channel. See where you can delete the channel, you can manage your channel right here. And then here is when you get here, this feature eligibility. This is where you have to, maybe once you do your first upload and you follow the guidelines, this first one is going to be enabled. Then the second one, you need to say verify a phone number before this one is enabled. Verify a phone number here, and then you can check our other video. We showed how to verify phone number. And then the third one is, this is where you need to build channel history. It means you need consistency. You need to be consistent. You need to interact with other videos in your same niche. In other words, you also watch other people's videos, you comment and do every other thing, and then you also share and all the like, and then you need to build your channel consistent pattern of uploading on that particular channel. It's through all those things that YouTube is going to validate this particular advanced feature. In some channels, they have the opportunity to maybe upload their identity here to get this particular aspect. But most channels, you need to build your channel history. So you can click on more to read more about channel history, how you can actually go about it. So here, the next thing is you see upload. So you can actually describe your videos or pre-title. If your videos are having similar titles, you just put a pre-title, which means each time you upload those videos are going to appear automatically. I mean, those titles and those descriptions, and also the tags, automatically they're going to appear. Yeah, maybe to save time. For instance, you see here I add other videos on my channel, more videos on the same channel, so that each time somebody watches, or you can get to the description and link to other videos. And then you can see here the missions. This is where you add admin to your channel. Admin, you can invite people here to be managers or editors or limited editors or viewers or sub editors, whatever, depending on the purpose of your channel. Then you have community moderations. So here you can actually enter some words that if people comment on your channel, they are automatically going to be blocked. You understand? So you can actually enter those words here, and then once somebody comments that particular word, it's going to be automatically deleted. That's the rule of this moderation, community moderation. You can maybe imagine some words that some people maybe they come and insult on your channel and so on. So you mark those words, simply enter those words here, and then they will be automatically blocked each time the people comment it, because it can also affect your channel negatively. You understand? So it's very important. And then this other one is, you have nothing to do about this. So that is it. And once you are done doing your settings, you simply come and do save. So you can see settings saved. So as simple as that, you can have your channel in order. Thank you for watching, and stay blessed, and see you in our next video. God bless you. Shalom.